Okay, burping contest.
Who are we gonna start with?
This is going on.
Me too. I have to cry. Okay, wait. Who are we gonna start with?
You.
I'm just gonna go take a crap.
This is going on MySpace. Holy Jesus! Okay, now record mine.
I know I'm pro.
That tastes
Megan. That sounded like a shit through your mouth.
It slowly came out.
It's like,
That's what she said.
Why is it? I'm sorry, I'm not at my best right now.
Good one. Oh, wait. I saw you in the window in the mirror. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm gonna puke.
Oh god.
Oh my god.
It looks really gross.
Ow.
Oh, I hope it comes out. How does that feel better?
So much better. It tastes like garlic. Okay.
Come on, go scout. This room looks really creepy with the crack in your camera.
Oh my god, it does. Wow, that's a really good one.
So good. Oh my gosh, you look so demonic. Like a demon.
How are you so good?
I'm just like born to it. You look really emo.
Shut up.
Ew.
Okay, we'll end on you.
Whew. My like.
You know, cherry.
No.
Oh.
My like whole tube system's like. Okay, let's watch this thing.